Choosing a flux and solder paste early in the printed circuit board design process, only to discover later that they can't be cleaned, is an avoidable problem. So test cleaning small batches prior to full-scale manufacturing gives a designer insight as to how their pastes, fluxes, and cleaners impact the performance of the board. Designers who produce and clean a limited run of printed circuit boards first can establish optimal cleanliness before going into full production mode. Once the cleaning fluid and process are proven, they ramp up to the higher volumes they need. Preemptive testing minimizes surprises and ensures better board reliability. Some design engineers can do their own cleanliness testing in-house. Others outsource their testing to reputable companies that conduct comprehensive cleaning trials using designer-supplied, real-world printed circuit boards and contaminants, not just test coupons. The cleaning evaluations are conducted to standards specified by the designer, whether it be simple visual testing or strict IPC 610 requirements. The lab results are verified and documented to validate the cleaning process. Pre-testing also helps with production planning by predicting and verifying expected outcomes. Printed circuit board designers looking for cleaning help should consult with a critical cleaning partner who specializes in collaborative problem solving. By inviting chemists and cleaning application experts to join them at the research stage, designers can avoid unexpected issues, reduce costs, ensure printed circuit board reliability, and deliver their finished product faster. Here's what to look for in a vendor partner. Application specialists can perform on-site cleaning audits to determine the substrates used and the contamination to be removed. They can suggest which cleaning tools, methods, and fluids will work best for both benchtop and vapor degreasing. Choose a vendor who supports printed circuit board designers throughout each phase of the process, from research and design to testing and manufacturing. They can identify and solve potential cleaning problems well before the printed circuit boards are manufactured. Some companies can conduct in-lab cleaning tests to match the cleaning fluid to the flux and paste contaminants. This ensures the printed circuit boards are clean and will function properly. In printed circuit board design, cleanliness is a factor that ensures long-term printed circuit board performance, functionality, and reliability. Selecting cleaning fluids and methods early in the design process makes it easier to resolve cleaning problems before manufacturing begins. Cost savings are realized by reducing unforeseen problems, including rework and scrapped boards. Partner with a cleaning expert who has conducted cleaning trials with major flux and paste manufacturers like AIM, Alpha Metals, Indium, Kester, Koki, and Loctite to determine which ones clean best for your particular application. It will help you prevent production delays, improve printed circuit board reliability, and reduce costs.